Hey everyone, my name is Karol, and in today's video, I'll guide you through how you can Noindex your page or post on your WordPress website. So, without wasting your valuable time, let's jump into it. There is a lots of method in Rank Math SEO plugin that help you to Noindex your page or post. If you want to Noindex all of your posts on your WordPress website, then this method is for you. First, log into your WordPress website, hover your mouse on Rank Math SEO, and click Titles and Meta. Then choose Post or Page and scroll down and enable Post Robots Meta and click on Noindex. Then scroll down and click on Save Changes. By following this method, you can easily Noindex all of your posts. Let's think, if you want to Noindex a single page using Rank Math SEO plugin, then you need to open the post and hover your mouse on Rank Math SEO and again hover and mark this page as Noindex. And you don't need to save the change after following this method. Once you click as Noindex, then this page will set as a Noindex page. There is another method available in Rank Math SEO plugin that helps you to Noindex your page. First, you open a page or post and click on Quick Edit. Now, from the Robots Meta tab, you need to check mark on Noindex and click Update. By following this simple method, you can easily set your page as a Noindex. And if you want to set multiple page or post as a Noindex page, then click on the checkmark box and click on the drop-down box and select Set to Noindex and click on Apply. By following all of this method, you can easily set your page or post as a Noindex. I hope you found this video helpful.